Okay, so now what I need to do is assign resources to tasks and set timelines in Basecamp. Look, as I mentioned earlier, this Joomla template is just a template, so these are the standard tasks that need to be done on a Joomla site. However, and this is very important, for every site there will be tasks which are outside of these standard things. So for instance, in this particular case I may have to add another task, and it may be custom development, and that may be obviously the hotel booking engine. Okay, and I will assign that to EBS needs or to a particular developer. Who might that developer be? Let's say that that's assigned to Vipul, for instance. Okay, I'm going to untick this just for the sake of the demonstration so that Vipul doesn't actually get a notification, but normally you would leave it ticked. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this item. Alright, I'm going to drag and drop it up here. Okay, so that's how I would add an additional task that's out of the normal scope, if you like. Now, in doing that, I also obviously need to go through my task list, okay, and assign resources. So let's take this as an example. I've added a custom module. Okay, I now need to obviously attach the requirements for that custom module to the post. So I've gone into this particular post. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say specification for booking module attached. Alright, now what I will do then is I will go into my system and upload the document. So I'm now going to go and browse for the file, okay, and that might be on my desktop for instance, and it will be called sample.pdf. Alright, so there it is, the specification is attached. I now add this comment. Alright, so that's done. So that's how I would assign a task, create a module, and so on. So if we go back to the see all to-do lists, I'm back on the master list. So as you can see, I've created a new task, which is a custom module, which is not part of the standard stuff. I've assigned it to Vipul. Okay, I might tell Vipul that it has to be done by the 7th of December. That might be the date that it's due. Now what I need to do, just like I have done for this task, is I need to go through all of these tasks, right? I need to see if I need to add any more information in here. Okay, and if I do, I need to put that in. In addition to that, I must also make sure that every single task is assigned to someone. So I'd click on edit. Okay, and I would assign that one to Dinesh maybe, and I would assign a date against it, 6th, for example. Alright, and there you go. So what you need to do as a project manager is you need to add all of the tasks from the requirement into the in-scope tasks section. You also then need to put each task and assign it to one person and give it a due date. Okay. Once you have done that for every single task, you can click off that yes, you have assigned resources and you've set the timelines. Alright.